What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today I've got really good news. We're just going to kind of talk about it. I didn't film the good news, but I'll show you guys now. Look at that, guys. The truck is award winning. So it entered its first, I entered it in its first car show. There's one that's done at a fairly big one done at a church. It's called the River, I believe, in Tampa. So we entered in the work in progress because, yes, it is street legal, but there are some fit and finish things that still need to get done. So I entered into the work in progress and we won first. So I'm pretty stoked. Take a look. This baby right here took first. So first in the work in progress, so as you guys can see. But kind of what I want to talk about is what's next. So hold on, let me put this camera somewhere where you can sit and talk. There we go. All right, so as you guys know, the truck is almost done. There's a couple things we need to do. We are still running into the overheating issue, even after I adjusted timing. It wasn't overheating when I had the coolant bleeder can on top, but when we closed this coolant system, it started overheating again. So we did some more digging. Please comment down below if you guys have any experience with this as well. Give us some ideas. But we saw somewhere where a lot of the modern cars, they have a smaller diameter upper radiator hose for the coolant system and a larger lower radiator hose. And we're running -20 AN lines all the way through. So I ordered some -16 AN lines because what this article was telling me was I was getting laminar flow, and the flow was going too fast through the system to where I wasn't really getting heat transfer through the radiator. It's just going through the radiator too quickly. So reducing the line size is going to increase the pressure, which hopefully slows down the fluid enough to get heat transfer. Another thing, I was talking to someone else that it's a common issue when you pull the thermostat. You got to really watch your coolant temps because same thing, you're getting too much flow and it doesn't allow time for the radiator to cool the coolant. So that has to get done. So that's probably going to be the next video you guys see on the truck. That's why I haven't seen really many driving videos. I test drove it a little bit and it started to get in the low 200s getting out of my neighborhood. So I was like, you know what, I don't want to run the risk of overheating the motor. We turned around and took it back. But yes, I do want to get some longer drives under here and get it under the belt. We're really just still trying to sort out the cooling system. So that is just full transparency what's going on. And also, it should be here this week, but I got something else special made from Morgan Metals. If you guys remember this beautiful hood ornament that we have right here. Yeah, that hood ornament right here. I got that. I got her to make something else for us, so I'm really stoked. I hope you guys really like it, and we'll probably put that in as well while we're doing the coolant system. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting this, and this is such a monumentous feeling of the first car show that I entered this truck into, even though it was under work in progress, but the first car show I entered it in, it actually won. So I'm pretty stoked about that, and thank you guys for your support. There's a lot of times where you guys have come up with advice and suggestions that really helped us move forward on an area that we were stuck, and I appreciate that, and I want you guys to continue to do that if you can. And yes, if you have any other ideas of what we're messing up with the cooling system, we've done so many renditions. We're just trying to figure it out and get it to stay cool. So, but yes, thank you. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know, hit that like button, and subscribe, because the next builds that we're going to be working on, I've got some stuff in the planning phase right now that hopefully you guys like. So thank you. Have a good one. Peace.